Everyone wants to live in Bonifacio Global City or BGC. But what if I told you that there's more quieter and more exclusive version right beside it? Hi investor, this is Simon, your property specialist from MegaWorld. Today I'm going to show you what you can see inside MegaWorld Township and what this township offers your daily life. MegaWorld Township is strategically located. McKinley West puts you right at the center of everything. You're just 8 minutes away from Bonifacio Global City, giving you access to top offices, restaurants, and lifestyle hubs. You're only a short drive to Ninoy Aquino International Airport, making it very convenient for frequent flyers and OFWs. The township is also surrounded by international embassies, adding security and long-term value to your property investment. For families, you're close to top schools and institutions, making daily routines easier and more efficient. Not only McKinley West is more exclusive and quieter, but a place where everything is. So you're literally one elevator away to everything. So that's it for the location. And if you already fell in love on what McKinley West Township offers, we have two projects that we're currently offering. And first is Park McKinley West. This is best if you want to move in early. We offer 1 bedroom up to 3 bedrooms. And payment terms here is no down payment, and it's in rent-own terms for 30 months at 0% interest. And the best part is, we offer 25% discount for cash term that's payable in 3 months. The second project is our pre-selling condo. This is One West Park Residence, and the turnover date here is September 2030, and we offer 35 square meter, 1 bedroom up to 345 square meter, 5 bedrooms. For payment terms, it's also no down payment, and this one is 5 years to pay at 0% interest. So that's it for this video. If you're interested to our pre-selling condo or to our rent-own condo, you can message me on my social media, or you can also scan this QR code to reach out on my WhatsApp or Viber. Again, this is Simon, your property specialist from MegaWorld. See you on the next one.